Hi, in this video we're going to show you a way you could disable and enable your start menu as needed. So it's a free download you could get from the GitHub site. It's called One-Click Start Menu. So how it works is you have to just run some batch files here, so there's nothing to install. So I'll put a link in the description for the site, and what you want to do is come here, go to the code section, download the zip file, and then once you extract it, you'll have all these files here. So you have two main files, the add to desktop right-click batch file and toggle on-off Win10 start menu batch file. So this was originally designed for Windows 10, but it works fine in Windows 11 as well. So here's what the batch file does for the right-click option. So you can see it adds all these registry entries. So there's not an undo for this. So once you add this option to your right-click menu, it's kind of there unless you want to go through the registry and redo this stuff. So you might want to back up your registry first, just in case. But this is optional. And what you would do, you just come here, and then just choose on or off from here. This will change depending on what you're currently set to. So this will say disable after you enable it and that type of thing. But there's a catch. So what this does, when you right-click on it, it'll run this batch file. What I've noticed, if you run this file here, it makes the right-click option not work. It'll still be there, but it doesn't do anything. So let me move this out of the way here. So right now, if I click on it, it still works. If I right-click again, I don't have the option. It doesn't change. But if I run this again, now when I right-click, you can see it's different. Now you can see the start menu doesn't work. So let's see what happens if we restart here. So you turn this back on here. Okay, so we're back in. Start menu is currently working. Nope, still doesn't work even after a reboot. So that's one thing to keep in mind. If you want to have the right-click option work, then do not run this. I'm not sure if there's a way around it. But like I said, if you're trying to keep this a secret so no one could see it, you're probably better off just running this batch file here. Let's look at this one real quick. So here's what this file does, if you were interested. Okay, so once again, first of all, back up your registry or do a system restore before using stuff like this. This will add it to your right-click menu, but it will not remove it, so keep in mind that you'll be stuck with this if you run this unless you go through the registry and remove this stuff or restore your registry. And then if you run this file here, it will make the right-click option not work, even though it will still be there, so don't run this if you want to just use this exclusively, or if you want to just not have the right-click option but still be able to enable or disable the start menu as needed, you could just run this, keep all these files together in a folder and just, kind of keep them hidden somewhere so you could come back here and toggle it on and off as needed. All right, like I said, I'll put a link in the description for where you could download these files here, and then you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.